Hi there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back. We're dealing with some heavy rains lately, and our pup is lapping it up.
Pup, you're so silly. Stop chewing up the water around the air.
The weather has led to a change in plans, and we're adapting to talk about a colorful subject. That's right, you guessed it, the science of rainbows.
Welcome to Steam Family Fun!
We are a busy family of four. Deep in the heart of Texas, we are exploring the world with science, technology, engineering, art, and math activities. Sunlight is composed of different colors. As the sunlight enters a raindrop, it bends or refracts. This bending separates the sunlight into its component colors, just like a prism. When sunlight is refracted inside of a raindrop, it undergoes multiple reflections before exiting. This causes the different colors to spread out, forming a beautiful arc of colors in a specific order. A good way to remember the order of those colors is an acronym Roy G. Biv: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. To see a rainbow, the sunlight needs to be behind you and the raindrops in front of you. Rainbows are circular arcs, but most often appear as a semicircle because the ground obstructs the view. We will highlight a fair bit of PhET simulations on future projects. It is an online interactive tool for science and math that is intuitive for a variety of ages. In general, simulation limits the criteria included, so they don't include all the complexities and nuances of real-world scenarios. Other limitations include not all simulators for PhET work on every device, but you can filter out for that. Also, it may enhance the learner's experience to have foundational understanding beforehand, which you can do prior to the activity, or it's another opportunity to learn and explore together.
Click on Simulations, Physics, unselect Physics, select Light and Radiation, click on Bending Light, click on Simulation, and click on Prisms. So the first thing we need to do is change the color of our light to be white, like the sun's light. And hit the red button to turn on the beam. And so when a light passes through an object and it changes from one environment to another, some of the wavelengths slow down at different rates. So the light will enter and bend and split into the multiple colors you see in the rainbow. So when the water drops aren't triangles, but they're circles. So we have a water droplet here represented by this circle. When the light comes through it, it bends at a different angle. It doesn't spread out the colors as much. So the sun's rays will come in at a shallow angle, and the reflections inside of the water droplet cause the colors of the rainbow to be shown back toward the observer. And depending on the angle, you'll see different brightness or size of the rainbow. And so sometimes you can even get multiple rainbows, like here. And you can play around with the angle to see more or less rainbows.
Comment below what time is the best time to see a rainbow.
Okay, now click on Bending Light. And the little knob on the back of it lets you tilt it.
I'm going to tilt it.
You can see the rainbow come out of the side of the prism.
It's so cool.
That's really cool. That's really cool that the purple one.
I want to try red light.
Okay, you can try the red light. Oh, that's multiple lights.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, back to
Move the prism.
Oh yeah, move the prism. See what it does. They go tighter together or wider apart.
I love how, like, if we go like this.
Yep, it goes crazy. So what you'll need is a circle that's...
Circle?
You can grab the circle, so that's like a raindrop. Okay. You can see how the light comes and separates into the different colors over here.
Yeah.
It's not just that it's getting refracted here between the boundaries of the air and the water and the air.
Bending.
It's also reflecting off the inside like a mirror. They reflect off the inside.
Put that there, and I'm gonna use a square.
Oh,
It went like every which way.
Yeah.
PhET is powerful because it allows learners to make mistakes, repeat, make changes, make connections, and apply concepts.
I wonder what happens if we do all of them.
Turn it around, and then bend this one. I just saw a really cool rainbow.
Let's do all of them in order.
Right there. Whoa.
Oh, that's
There you
so
go.
poke this out.
Whoa.
Let me do it. Let me do this. I'm going to put it. Let me try.
And you can change the color of the light.
Wait, what's this, folks? Woo, 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 woo.
We've got a laser light show going on here.
It's an air bubble
Yeah, that's like
inside
an air
of
bubble.
water.
How does that behave with light?
Hold on, this is the air bubble.
That's a half an air bubble. I don't think those exist.
Okay, or you can go to more tools.
Find more tools.
That's how you can measure the angle and intensity.
Oh, yeah.
Can you bend it? Can you bend it?
I can't
No.
bend it.
You have air on top and water here, and you have light that comes here. This is how you see at what angle does it come back out at, based on this angle of incidence, what the intensity of each side is. So 92% of the light gets refracted, and then 7.38% gets reflected up into the sky.
What are the other tools?
The other tools are, okay, let's pull that green thing back in. Yeah.
Yep.
Speed. Oh, is it slow? How much is the speed of light being slowed down as it passes through this medium? 75. What?
See?
75% the speed of light
As it travels through.
as it comes from air to water. That's a huge difference.
What did you learn?
Oh, I learned a lot about rainbows today. I loved how we got a piece of glass in that video. And it's really cool when you turn on the laser and then turn on the white light. And then you put every single one. It just goes insane. I just love it.
So why should kids learn about rainbows?
Because it's so interesting.
When you understand things about science, about the world around you, does it make you like it even more?
Yeah, I love the rainbow's color, but I didn't know they use like they can use any type of thing that's related to glass, like water, air.
Yes.
Yeah, like glass. It's so cool. Subscribe and hit that notification bell.